All right. Thank you guys for tuning in. We're really excited to introduce you to Mrs. Kamiya Jones from who's down in Valdosta, Georgia, and tell you all about her. She is the owner of, you want to tell them? Kamiya?
Yes, I am the owner of K&C Consulting and Financial Services.
All right. Wonderful. So we're going to get right into it, you guys. I'm going to share my screen so that you can see what we see. And we're going to get right into it, okay? Put this in full screen. All right, and we are cooking. So tell us about this home health and home care startup masterclass, Kamaya. That's a mouthful, but we're gonna get it done, girl.
Yes, you guys. So the Home Health and Home Care Startup Masterclass. Listen, this 1 or 3 months of certification, and then we'll help you join our nationwide of registered nurses. Next, we'll get you a facility where you can work your business from all over the world.
Yes.
So we're gonna move forward. I'm excited. Okay, so the Home Health and Home Care Agency is broke up into three components, you guys. It's me, the certification, then we'll get your building going, and then it's you, the registered nurses. So that's incredible. You see how those three connect: certification, building, and registered nurses. Moving forward, I just want to give you guys a little intro about myself, okay? My name is Kamiya Jones. I am 27 years old. I have over 12 years of healthcare experience. I am a certified nursing aide. I am a certified PCT. I have an AS in associate science with psychology. So I did study psychology during the course of my years. You guys, I work for many different home care agencies here in Georgia, many different nursing homes and living assisted homes. You guys, I started the healthcare field since ninth grade in high school. When I started my ninth grade year in high school, I did dual enrollment and I went to college while I was in ninth grade. And that's where I got the knowledge and the experience in the healthcare field. Okay. So we're going to move forward. Um, Moving forward, you guys, what really inspired me being a nurse, just having this great,
Consulting
just
agency. I mean, you got a dream. You're basically making dreams come true, Kamaya. I hope you see that.
pretty much. You got, yes. I couldn't even get into words. I just got that vision, you guys, to help others. So that exactly what just inspired me to actually share this knowledge and skills. And over the course of those 12 years, I was also able to gain the knowledge and the experience and also the blueprints to opening up a home care
Sorry
and
about that.
health care agency. So we're gonna
Um,
move along, and we're gonna let Miss San, talk more about the private feminine company.
yeah, so we're gonna help you get your building, you guys. Um, I know a lot of people watching this are travel nurses. So there's a lot of moving around, and as moms and parents and dads and whoever's watching this, we make a lot of sacrifices to take care of a lot of other people. But wouldn't it be nice for you to have your own brick and mortar facility? So Midwest Private Lending and Joint Venture Group is another one of my public relations clients. This is one of the ways that I help the companies I work with. So we partnered up in providing creative financing, creative financing solutions that are based on the value of the real estate, not the borrower's past credit history. So if you're watching this, if you're like a lot of people right now, you've been through some changes with the pandemic, you might have missed some payments on some things. You might have bad credit history. That doesn't exclude you from participating in this program.
That's correct. That's correct. So just like Miss San was saying, you guys, the staffing is basically ranging from the PCA to CNA to LPNs, and then you guys, the registered nurses, which you don't have to hire a registered nurse because
What's
you
that?
are
What's
the
that?
registered nurses.
Yes, absolutely. So what we really get excited about is you literally are just leveraging the fact that you're a registered nurse, and all of these types of facilities have to be overseen. But we're going to take care of making sure that you guys have all the staff you need, so you're not running a short-handed enterprise and feeling overwhelmed. Whether you just got a small home, there might be 3 or 4 bedrooms, and you've got a patient in each room, or you're able to get your hands on one of these old hotels that we're converting to facilities. Did you want to touch on the screen, Kamiya?
Sure. The support network can range from me, KNC Consulting, from Miss Sand, Midwest Private Lending, and also the Joint Venture Group. So that's where you'll get your support network from. Recruiting and payroll, the benefits. That's something we definitely will help you guys with your employees that you'll have on hand. And of course, your facility maintenance. Everyone needs a good facility maintenance. Okay. So registered nurses. All home health and home care agency in any state requires a registered nurse to be on file. Okay, you guys, you do not have to be an RN to start, the home health agency, but we do need a registered nurse to be on file. So we're
Yes.
gonna move along.
So I just wanted to thank everyone that's watching this, because if you're looking at this, chances are you are a registered nurse or you know someone. So we want to thank you for taking the time to check out this masterclass. And I want to assure you that this will be one of the best investments of time you've ever taken out of your life. Why is that? It's because what you'll learn in this masterclass. One, you'll learn that you can do this regardless of your age or experience, whether you're 18, 19 years old and you're just taking a look at this and you have a passion for helping people, whether you're 70 plus years old and this is important, and maybe you want to be the owner, but you want to have all your girlfriends live with you like the Golden Girls. Regardless of your credit, whether you've never started a business before or you have tried unsuccessfully and failed. So I know that happens quite a bit because it is a complex process, isn't it, Kamiya?
Yes, you guys, that's exactly what I wanted to get into as well. The process can be very difficult, but I have the blueprints you'll need to make it very easy to get you guys certified in 1 to 3 months. So moving forward, I am going to talk to you guys about some of the hurdles a lot of people face, when with the home care agency.
Well, let me tell them about why they want to get started right now.
Go
Because
ahead.
the fact that you have the blueprint it's a solution. It doesn't get much better than that. Like, don't you wish someone had taken you by the hand and showed you how to start this up when you first graduated? That would have been awesome, right?
It would have been really awesome, actually.
So that's what we really work to do. There's a demand in market. There's a demand for more quality facilities. Everyone has worked at a facility. I'm sure you guys have worked at facilities that could be run better than that. If it was yours, it would be a completely different atmosphere and environment. There's a need for caring professionals, because some people are just in the industry because someone told them they could make some money. They got in it, they're stuck, and they're, hey, they're just rolling with it. But if you really care about people, we are looking for you. Helps you to create a more stable and predictable lifestyle. I know a lot of travel nurses will be watching this presentation. So now it puts you in a position where you can pick where you want to live and where you want to work. You can create a living environment for these people that you care for, and you can still have a predictable lifestyle. You can work from home, because your home could actually be in the manager's suite at one of these hotels if you wanted to pick on or take on a larger enterprise. Or, maybe you're a landlord and you have rooms for rent. You want to have a couple of patients at home. So the sky's the limit, you guys. You'll have no tax related stress because Mrs. Jones can actually prepare your taxes for you, and she knows that business very well. Now, the thing that really excites me is it gives you an opportunity to plan an exit. So you have an exit strategy for retirement. I don't know anyone who actually wants to work until they die, but as you get to know me, you'll learn about my story and why I'm so passionate about making sure that you have an exit strategy that's planned out to give you the life that you'll love. So, Kamiya, you want to tell them what's the difference between home care and non-medical and home health and medical?
Yes. Okay, so ladies, the difference between home care and home health. Okay, we're going to start with the home health, you guys. Home health is medical. This can range from an RN overseeing it, the physical therapist. We deal with dementia and Alzheimer clients. It can range for someone doing diabetes management. Also, your LPN and your RN do vital signs and monitoring, and your occupational therapy and hospice. So that's exactly what a home health is. Home health is compared right to hospice, you guys. They have the same similarity. So non-medical home care, this is personal care, and of course that's overseen by the RN too. We do bathing, toileting, and that's transportation, errands, of course, meal preparations, cleaning, companionship, and just personal care overall, you guys. So that's the difference between home care and home health. And now we're gonna move on to the next screen.
Yes. So I want to talk more about the opportunity that we have for you guys. Why would you want to work with us? I think it's pretty obvious, kind of hard to miss, but just the idea of a stable and predictable lifestyle for those of you who are doing travel nursing. That is a lucrative way to be a nurse, but it can also rob you of a lot of time spent with your family. Just as an entrepreneur myself, I became a workaholic because I was not going to go back to being poor. So when you start looking at what you can create a lifestyle that you love with a lucrative business with plenty of opportunity for growth. Maybe you start off with a house and decide you want to have an old apartment complex. We'll help finance that for you. But you guys already know how lucrative the industry is. Home care services in the United States is an $86 million industry, and you guys carry it on your backs. Aren't you ready, and don't you deserve a bigger slice of the pie? So we are here to answer any questions you have about this process. So while this masterclass was filmed for Georgia, this is a nationwide program. So you want to reach out for your certification to Miss Kamiya Jones at K Consulting
2022 at gmail.com, you guys.
They can oversee their staff from their home or office. They got time and travel freedom. They can be a problem solver in their community for the needs that you see, just glaring needs when you're out there working in the field with these patients. You can create an exit strategy for retirement without a pay cut and not have to be stressed about the taxes. But Kamiya, I want you to tell them about some of the challenges that some people face in starting their own agency. Why is this so important, what you do?
Okay, so yes, the challenges, either it can range from just submitting the wrong documents. Your business formation and your business plan can be done all wrong, and that will get a denial. And just distractions. We all are human, so of course we have family, life may happen, stress, and sometimes that takes a lot of energy, and a lot of people give up, you guys. Okay, and this pushed them back an extra 3 years now. So compared to 1 to 3 months, and just compare that to 3 years, which one would you guys choose?
Yes, you guys had to forgive me. I hear the motorcyclists on the road right outside. But
Right.
why should they have so much confidence that they can do this? Well, because if you have an expert consultant who has done this multiple times and is an expert on submitting the paperwork, all the areas where you would tend to have challenges has already been taken care of. So the blueprint, I think that's a perfect name for it. So why don't you tell them what comes in with their startup blueprint?
Okay. So with your certification, that will include your business formation, and this includes your LLC, your business license, and your tax identification number, okay? And then this will be your DUNS number and your articles of incorporation. You guys, I'm tongue twisted right now. Okay.
Take your time.
So the importance, this is the importance, the policies and procedures. This is everything everyone been looking for years. We have it, okay? This must be detailed and it must meet every state requirements, you guys. So this is included in the blueprints. So great, you guys. It's definitely a process. It's a process, but with me, you guys can be certified 1 to 3 months compared to 3 years. Time is money. I had a client, came to me. She signed up. She said she signed up with some company, was paying an average of $10,000 a month. I mean, just paying the 10K was already too much, but they were not, getting her certified in 1 to 3 months. They were actually going all the way to 12 months to even get her certified. So that's what I mean when I say time is money, you guys. It's still worth it, but that part is just, a little more difficult. But excited, you guys, my startup blueprint will have everyone certified within 1 to 3 months for the maximum amount of $4,997.
Now, I don't know too many places where you can start up any type of business or even be ready to start up a business with or without a building for $5,000. That's a drop in the bucket.
Yeah.
So talk about the other services those complementary services that they will more than likely need to support this business that is outside of your blueprint.
Oh, yes, you guys. KNC Consultant also offers you guys the income, the tax preparation, okay? Since I got all those years in the experience in healthcare, I am a pro at doing your tax preparation for your healthcare career. I also, I get you guys certified with Medicaid and Medicare. That's our top two health insurance agencies that we, bill over worldwide. I also do VA billing, you guys. I don't know if a lot of you guys heard about VA billing, but VA billing is great as well. We have a lot of disabled veterans in, the market, and they need that extra help. Now, one of my specialties is business mentorship. You guys, I'll coach you guys right on through this thing to have you up and running in no time. And I also will teach you guys building business credit. Building business credit is very important, you guys, okay? This will definitely help you succeed in the future. So, RNs, this is the steps to getting started. You must have an active license in the state of Georgia, okay? Georgia, New York, any state, in your state registry, you must be active, okay? You guys can visit me at kconsultancy.org to get started with me. Once we get started, you'll follow the email instructions. I'll get you set up for a scheduled Zoom call, and then we'll do our Zoom call. Now, after the video call, we will collect your personal information, and then we'll get you started up with your startup application, which you also receive by email from KNC Consultancy. And with that, you guys, that's when after that startup application, baby, we're ready to take forward. We're ready to go ahead and take forward. And that's just the process of getting started. So those are some easy steps in getting started. So I'm going to move forward. Just moving forward.
Talk about your fingerprint.
Yeah, I'm definitely going to tell them about the fingerprints. Moving forward, you guys, everyone must be fingerprinted. Now, since this is a process, 1 to 3 months, during this process, as I am getting you started up with your home health home care agency, you guys will be required to go and get a $50 fingerprint. Now, with Georgia, Gemalto is the provider, so you can pretty much search Gemalto on any Google on Google app, and you'll find some locations. Now, for any other state, we will do the research and get you affiliated where you will be best to get you fingerprinted, requirements by your state. Now, background check. This is for any state, including Georgia. Anyone can go to their police station and get a $7 background check, okay, you guys? So background check and fingerprinting is the main things the owner must have. And moving forward, we're here to answer any questions you guys may have. I know this is an exciting time. This is a great season to start up a home care, home health agency. This masterclass was filmed for Georgia. This is a nationwide program, you guys, okay? Meaning anybody in any state can get started up, okay? You guys can also reach out to me, Kamiya Jones, at K Consultancy 2022 at gmail.com. That's K Consulting 22 at gmail.com. And you guys can also go to my webpage, it's kconsultancy.org. Now we're going to pass it over to Miss Fan so she can tell you guys some more about Midwest Private Lending, okay?
All right. Wonderful. You did a great job, Kamiya.
Okay.
I'm really excited about, whoever's watching this because they're about to change their lives, And
Yes.
as the transaction coordinator for Midwest Private Lending and Joint Venture Group, I get really excited about being able to just provide that support that people need. You go into business or, even as an employee, one of the biggest hurdles for stepping over into entrepreneurship is financing. So Midwest is a financial and collaborative support partner for your agency. Some of the ways we provide you support are with real estate services and your staffing services. So we're going to help you by locating the property. I've already located, I believe, close to 10 different hotels, older hotels, and we buy distressed properties. So we want to find a building that may need some work on it, or just an owner who just wants to get out of it. Some of these people have owned hotels for 20, 30 years. They just want to retire. So we want to make the right price and purchase actually offer the right price, purchase the property, do any needed renovations, and provide the equipment that you guys need to run your business successfully. We also provide you with the staffing. We do employee benefits, payroll, do your training for you. So we know you're one person, but you're not in it by yourself. You have a whole team that will help to train and even transport your staff. So there's no need to wonder if you can get approved for the financing. Our investment group leverages the value of the property and we buy it at the perfect price. The result of that process for you is you have the opportunity to use our investors' money to make you money. So just visit stlouisprivatemoney.com. That's stlouisprivatemoney.com to apply for your funding and learn more about our creative financing solutions for real estate. If you're watching this and I know a lot of nurses own some real estate. If you need a transactional loan to purchase a property and do the renovations and turn around and sell at a profit.
Moving forward, welcome to the team, you guys.
Welcome you to the team because I know there's no way you can be watching this and not go, this is the opportunity of a lifetime. I'm looking forward to working with you. I'm San Edwards. My company is a public relations and business consulting business. And you can reach me at email at sanedwardspr@gmail.com if you're interested in this type of services, whether it's to start your business or something else that you're doing or another entrepreneur that you're very familiar with. So I'm going to stop sharing my screen and we're going to wrap it up. Thank you so much for joining me today, Kamiya. I'm always just looking forward to working with you in our next conversation. I want to thank everyone who watched your masterclass. Did you have anything else to add? Did we leave anything out?
No, this is a high demanding market, you guys. I'm eager to teach you all the things I know so you can succeed, you guys. So that's all I want to say.
All right. Well, I'm excited about the impact that we're going to have on the community, as well as the income that all of you guys watching this are going to make, and meeting and interviewing you guys perhaps on a Zoom just like this. So look forward to seeing you. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.